Hey there, Babcock fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Babcock National, 15959 Leaning Pine. This home here is part of the executive line of homes that include the golf membership here at Babcock National. This home here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. It's going to come in at just over 2,000 square foot of living space. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home here. As we come into this floor plan called the Azalea, also known as the Angelina in some of the other Lennar communities here in Southwest Florida, directly to our left here, you're going to have the guest bedroom here. Really nice sized guest bedroom. And you've got your bifold style closet doors there. And then we have the guest bath right here with the combination tub and shower. And directly in front of us, this is the entry here to what you can use as a guest bedroom or as a formal den. There is a closet in this room, and it does also have the pocketing doors to shut, so you can use it as a third bedroom or den, depending on your best use. Now, the great part about this home is it's got a really nice open floor plan. You've got this flex space here, which can be used as formal dining, like you see these owners have here, or let your imagination run wild. You've got a great kitchen here overlooking the living spaces, nice and open to everything, as well as the views outside. This particular home has some nice upgrades as well. Starting with the subway tile that you see here, the backsplash. Also, something to take note of, you have natural gas in this home. That's a great feature that you don't find at many communities here in Southwest Florida. Just off the kitchen here is your laundry space. You do have a utility sink, full-size washer and dryer. That's your entry to the garage, as well as additional space above. You've got a nice pantry closet here leading into your kitchen, and a nice workspace here as part of your kitchen setup as well. Now let's run over and take a look at the master bedroom here. Really nice sized master suite. That's a king bed there for perspective. Really large windows allow for a lot of natural light, as well as the sliding glass doors that take you out into the lanai space. This hallway here takes us into the master bathroom here. You've got his and hers closets. You've got the dual sinks. You've got a seated vanity spot right here. Soaking tub, a nice walk-in style shower. And then here you have your private water closet right there. Now, last but not least, we're going to take a look at the outdoor living in this home. So this home here, to start with, you've got a beautiful outdoor kitchen here. You do have a window leading into the kitchen and a bar top here as well. That way you can pass through from the kitchen right into your outdoor kitchen area. Plenty of space under truss here for seating and additional al fresco type dining. And last but not least, you've got this amazing pool area here with the pool, the elevated spa, screened-in enclosure, plenty of space to sit and relax. And best of all, you have views of the golf course and lake here at Babcock National. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.